Hello, my dear remarkable kids. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about addition. Have you heard this word before? We can think of addition as the idea of adding, joining, or combining. For example, when we prepare food following a recipe, it uses the following words. Let us look at them taken from part of the recipe for my favorite cookie. Pour 100 grams of flour. Add 1 spoon of margarine. Mix in a cup of milk. Add 2 eggs. When we group, mix, or join all the ingredients, we have these amounts added together in one single place. This is what addition in everyday mathematics is like. In today's class, we're going to solve additions in several different ways. And to get started, I'll show you additions with grouping. Do you know what grouping is? Grouping is when I put things together based on similar characteristics like colors, shapes, quantities, sizes, etc., making small groups. Take a look at these candies. Let's group these candies according to their characteristics and find out how many groups we can make. We have lollipops, hard candies, chocolate bars. So we can make 3 groups. That is 3 small groups. Now, using grouping, let's find out how many toys we have in this box. First, let's count the dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4 dolls. And now we have 1, 2, 3 cars. By grouping the 2 quantities, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 toys in total.
Hey, Frank. Have you decided what you want to do for your birthday?
Yes, I'm going to eat strawberry cake with frosting. Yummy. What about you, Pete?
I'm going to the museum. I want to see the prehistoric animals exhibition that's coming to Remarkable Town.
I can't wait for that day to come. How long until my birthday?
Oh, let's check the calendar. Let me see. Today is January 5th, 2023.
How do you know that?
It's all written here, look. The calendar is used to organize our routine. It shows what day it is today, the days that have passed, and the days yet to come. I mark an X on all the days that have already passed. I've already marked the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. And today is the 5th.
And how about these words above the days?
They represent the days of the week. There are 7 days in total. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All the days in this column fall on Monday and so on. Today is the 5th, so we are on a Thursday.
Oh, that's easy. Days, weeks. And this here is the month, right?
Exactly, Frank. We're in January of 2023, the first month of the year, so it's month 1. Each month is represented by a number. Did you know that? January is the 1st, February is the 2nd month, or month 2, and March is the 3rd month, or month 3, and so on. December is the last one, known as month 12.
Mas que coisa! Deixei as crianças assistirem a mais uma aula. Mas já que assistiram, não se esqueçam de se inscrever no canal. Deixem a curtida e compartilhem com seus amigos. Até a próxima, crianças!